Okay guys, we're doing simplifying again. Okay, we're just increasing the difficulty with the simplifying. Alright, remember you got the order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiply, and divide. They're on the same level. And then add, subtract. Those are on the same level. Okay, so always take care of parentheses first, then any exponents, and then multiply, divide, and then add, subtract. Okay, and we are going to introduce some exponents on this in this unit. Okay, so because those will show up later in the semester as well. All right, but let's just review this really quick. Okay, so I have parentheses. I got to take care of whatever's in the parentheses first. So I have the 2 outside, and then the 4 plus 6 is 10, and then the minus, and then the 5 times 3. Now I have a couple multiplication. Okay, I have this one and this one. I got to do those before I can subtract them. Okay, so 2 times 10 is 20, and then minus 5 times 3 is 15. Now I have 20 minus 15, which is 5. Okay. Number 2, stick with the order of operations. Okay, I have add, I have divide, I have parentheses, and I have subtraction. So I got to take care of the parentheses first. So I got 4 plus 10 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2. Now I got rid of the parentheses. I can just go with multiply, divide, and then add and subtract. Okay, so then I have division. I got to do 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So the 4 plus comes down, and then the minus 2. Now all I have is add and subtract. I can go left to right. 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 2 equals 4. Okay, the 1. We'll do a couple with exponents because I want to review these. Okay, an exponent, anything to the second power or anything squared, is just that number times itself. Okay, so in this case we have 3 squared. It's the same as 3 times 3. Okay, in this case it's 9. So we're going to do that, all that within the parentheses. So the 2 and the plus comes down, and the the divide by 4 comes down as well. But then here we have to think, well, this is 9. Okay, so I have 7 plus 9 minus 4. All right, so 7 plus 9 is 16, and then minus 4. Okay, now I still have parentheses, so I'm going to go one more step. Okay, 16 minus 4 is 12, and divided by 4. Now I got rid of my exponents, got rid of my parentheses. I can go to the next step now. So 14 divided by 4, I got to do division before I can do adding. So you get 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, let's get to one more exponent one. Okay, I do have parentheses, I do have exponents, and I do have adding and subtract. So I got to follow the order of operations. So the 4 plus 1 minus, got to do the parentheses first. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, I'm ready to get in there just as a placeholder. It's okay. And then 1 times 1 squared is the same as 1 times 1. So what's 1 times 1? 1. Then I have adding and subtract there. So I just go left to right. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 0 plus 1. 5 minus 0 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Okay? So just remember that exponents are just that number times itself if it's squared. Okay? That's as far as we'll get to with exponents this unit. All right? I mean this semester. So anything squared is times itself. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. This will be on the test. Okay?